Every day, more than 100,000 aircraft take to the skies. Some carry hundreds of passengers across continents. Others transport massive cargo, fight wars, save lives, or even fly without a pilot. Although they all have one thing in common: the ability to fly. Each aircraft is built for a completely different mission. So, what makes each type unique? Let's find out. Passenger airliner. When most people look into the sky, this is the aircraft they see, the passenger airliner, designed to carry people safely and efficiently. These aircraft connect cities, countries, and entire continents. Powered by large turbofan engines, modern airliners cruise at nearly 900 kilometers per hour while flying above most weather at an altitude of around 35,000 feet. Popular aircraft like the Boeing 737 and Airbus A320 handle short and medium routes, while larger aircraft such as the Boeing 777 and Airbus A350 travel thousands of kilometers across oceans. Cargo aircraft. Cargo aircraft are the heavy lifters of aviation. Instead of passengers, they carry vehicles, medical supplies, electronics, food, and even military equipment. Their large cargo doors, reinforced floors, and spacious interiors allow oversized freight to be loaded quickly. Some military cargo aircraft can even transport tanks and helicopters directly into remote locations. The legendary Antonov An-225 Mriya was the largest cargo aircraft ever built, capable of carrying more than 250 tons in a single flight. Business jet. Business jets are designed for travelers who need to reach their destination quickly. Unlike commercial airliners, they carry only a small number of passengers, often fewer than 20. Their biggest advantage is flexibility. Because they can use smaller airports, they allow travelers to land much closer to their final destination. Inside, many business jets feature luxury seating, conference tables, and even private bedrooms on larger models. Turboprop aircraft. Instead of relying entirely on jet thrust, turboprop aircraft use a turbine engine to spin a large propeller. This design makes them slower than jet aircraft, but much more fuel efficient on short flights. That's why regional airlines often use turboprops to connect smaller cities where large jets would be uneconomical. Aircraft like the ATR-72 and -8 have become common sights at regional airports around the world. Fighter aircraft. When speed, agility, and firepower matter most, fighter aircraft dominate the skies. Designed for air-to-air combat, these aircraft protect national airspace and intercept enemy aircraft. Modern fighters use powerful afterburning jet engines, advanced radar, guided missiles, and sophisticated onboard computers. Many also feature stealth technology, making them difficult to detect by enemy radar. Bomber aircraft. Bomber aircraft are built to carry large payloads over extremely long distances. Their mission is to destroy strategic targets, such as military bases, bridges, and supply facilities. Unlike fighters, bombers focus on endurance and payload capacity rather than close-range combat. Some modern bombers also use stealth technology to avoid enemy radar. While bombers require long runways, the next aircraft doesn't need a runway at all. Helicopter. Helicopters fly differently from airplanes. Instead of fixed wings, they generate lift using large rotating blades called rotors. This allows them to take off vertically, hover in one place, fly sideways, and land almost anywhere. These unique abilities make helicopters essential for search and rescue, medical emergencies, firefighting, construction, and military operations. Heavy-lift helicopters can even transport vehicles and construction equipment directly to locations that airplanes cannot reach. Seaplane aircraft. Seaplanes are designed to take off and land on lakes, rivers, and coastal waters. Some use large floats beneath their wings, while others have a boat-shaped hull that rests directly on the water. Amphibious aircraft combine the best of both worlds. They can operate from water and conventional runways using retractable landing gear. These aircraft are widely used for island transportation, search and rescue, coastal patrol, and fighting wildfires. Glider. Gliders prove that flight doesn't always require power. After being launched, They stay airborne by using rising columns of warm air called thermals. Their long, slender wings produce exceptional lift, allowing them to travel incredible distances without burning any fuel. Gliders are used for pilot training, competitive soaring, and recreational flying. Drone, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, are one of the fastest-growing areas of aviation. Instead of carrying a pilot, they are controlled remotely or fly autonomously using GPS, sensors, and onboard computers. Today, drones inspect bridges, monitor crops, capture stunning aerial footage, deliver medical supplies, and assist emergency responders during disasters. Military drones perform reconnaissance and surveillance, often remaining airborne for far longer than human pilots.